Today I'm going to show you how to create pictures using AI. So you go to apps at the left hand corner on Canva, then you have trending here, you click on it, so text to speech, and here you create something like 2500, 1 second, like this one for example. Okay, this kind of strange format, but okay. Let's do a standing. It's not really working, but okay. And let's do drawing, and here you can type like something you like like a dog, crown, like dog wearing a crown, white background, and something like a cat. Something with a cat has to be in there, so let's remove this. Well, okay, and let's click on create, like dog wearing a crown, white background, and something with a cat, and let's see how it comes out. So this is kind of strange, but I like it. It's a cat with a dog in one, and here you have your dog with your crown. How lovely! It's really lovely. And here you have one with a purple background, and here another one with a blue background. You can just play around with it. So just play around with it, see what you can do with it, and it works pretty well, as you can see.